Hello everybody, in today's video, I've missed you. It is my May 2019 Essential Rewards unboxing, so it's basically a Young Living haul, and it's gigantic. I have so much stuff this month. So let's dig in. Now, if you're not familiar with what Essential Rewards is, it's basically Young Living's version of a rewards program where you buy your stuff you'd get from Target, right? Your laundry soap, your dish soap, makeup, baby products, supplements, that kind of stuff. You get it from Young Living and they pay you back in points to turn in for free things. So I literally, of my order here, got just as much free as I ordered. So fantastic. All right, so the first thing I actually got Ningxia red packets. I got a box of these, and I also got a 4-pack of bottles. I took the bottles out. They're actually in the refrigerator right now. So we were desperate. We needed our Ningxia. So it's basically like a liquid multivitamin, to describe it in any shape or form. That's not really what it is. It's a wolfberry puree that you take about 2 ounces of every day, and you get a ton of antioxidants, which is really healthy for you. So my husband and I do that every single day. So we actually got the Essential Rewards collection of that because it's the least amount of dollars compared to the ounces. So like price per ounce is lowest. Also got, and I already dug into this too because we were completely out of dishwasher detergent, the Thieves Automatic Dishwasher Powder. So I love this. This lives under my sink in my kitchen, and there's a little tiny itsy bitsy scoop in here. So what we do is we actually take half of the scoop of the dishwasher powder. The rest of it is baking soda, and then we put that in our dishwasher and it dilutes it. So we get like 2 times the amount of dishwasher powder, and it works great in my machine. So love that. Also got Essential Zymes 4. This is my favorite digestive enzyme, as well as Mr. Simple Life's favorite digestive enzyme. We take this with our dinner, and our food just digests and we feel great after dinner. Like, we don't feel tired or sluggish or whatever. So we definitely feel a difference when we do take that compared to if we forget to. I love it. It's so good. All right, Thieves. I got the Thieves dish detergent, or dish, what do they call this? Dish soap? Dish soap. And what you can do, again, you can dilute this. So what you do is you pour out 3/4 of the bottle. So you have a quarter left, fill the rest with water and a teaspoon of baking soda, and you get literally 3 or 4 times the amount of containers here for the price of one. So good. It's so concentrated. It works great doing that, and you get like so much more for that. It's like fantastic. All right, so then I also got the Savvy Minerals Makeup Remover Wipes. These smell amazing. I love them. They just, oh my gosh, my skin really likes that. I have acne prone skin, and so when I use these, I've been using them for the last few days, that my skin has responded really well to these. I actually will just rub it on in the morning just to get any residual makeup off that I didn't get off the night before, which happens sometimes. And they almost foam up just a little bit, and then you just wipe it off. You don't need any water or anything. It works great, and they smell so, so good, like lavender kind of, just very gentle, so good. All right, so then I also got the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap Refill. Again, you can get twice the amount of this as what you buy. So basically, I have a foaming hand soap container. I fill it up halfway with this, and then fill the rest with water, so I'm getting like 2 for the price of 1. So good. And it works really good. My skin really appreciates that. My hands tend to get a little bit dry if I use other types of soaps, so when I stick to that one, my hands do really good. All right, so then I also got some roller bottle toppers. They call these aroma glides. They basically turn like an essential oil bottle like this into a roller. So it ends up looking like that. And it just is super duper convenient, and you can turn anything into a roller. So I got these because I've been collecting empty essential oil bottles so I can make my own blends out of them. So 10 in a pack, really good deal. They're also Mira Cleansing Oil. This stuff smells like a dream. I love this stuff. I use this, I do a double cleansing method in the shower. So I will do a couple pumps in my hand, rub it all over my face to get my makeup off in the shower, and then I will wash my face with the Orange Blossom Facial Wash. It's hard to say. And my skin has really been responding well to that. So love this. It smells so, so, so good. That one I actually also use as an in-shower moisturizer as well. So just rub it on before I get out of the shower, towel dry, call it a day. Also got some Life 9. This is a great probiotic. My husband and I take this every single day. It's super gentle but really effective for our systems and our digestive processes. So good bacteria that we get to add back in. This is for Mr. Simple Life. This is the Thieves mouthwash. He loves this. I'm not a mouthwash user, but he loves this and how it works. It's super duper strong, really, really concentrated. So you could dilute this if you wanted to by doing half the cap of the mouthwash, the rest with water, but he likes it super strong, so he just does the whole cap full of it, and he likes it, so I get that on our order every single month. And then the last thing that I bought, and then the rest of this stuff is free, Seedlings wipes. I love these. It's kind of starting to get warmer outside, and we'll oftentimes do a walk in the evening, and then sometimes I might have to do filming or whatever other things in the evening after we're back. So I like to have these on hand so I can just like refresh myself without feeling like I have to go take a shower or something after I've been walking out in the sun for a while. And they, I mean, obviously they're baby wipes, so they work as baby wipes, but I just like to keep them on hand just in case I need to freshen up a little bit. Okay, that's the stuff I bought. Here's the free stuff. So first I'll show you the stuff that I actually cashed our points in for to get for free. And I joke about this all the time that I never buy my laundry soap anymore because I always get it for free. I legit got this entire thing for free. So as it is, this is a 64 load bottle of laundry soap. But just like the other stuff I was talking about diluting, I dilute this too and I get 128 loads out of it. So what I do is I pour out half of the bottle into an empty one of these, just kind of hang on to it. I fill the rest of this with water and 3 capfuls of the Thieves Household Cleaner, and it works great. So you use half a cap full for a regular washer, or if you have a high efficiency washer, you just use a quarter of a cap. It's incredibly concentrated. I do not have a high efficiency washer, so I have to use half a cap, but I literally only buy one of these like every maybe 6 months, something like that. It lasts me a really, really, really long time. And it doesn't have any of those yucky, junky chemicals in them that you don't want on your laundry, in your laundry, on your clothes, on your skin, or anything. I also got Shoetron 3-in-1 men's wash. So this is, my husband likes to use this on his hair, he uses this on his body, he does a double cleansing face method in the shower as well. So he'll actually use this as a face wash before he too uses the Orange Blossom facial wash. It smells really nice. Like it's a very light scent. When we travel, this is the one we normally take with us just because it does have 3 uses in one bottle. So I like to use it too if we're on the road or anything. It doesn't smell like super masculine. It's fine for me. I don't care. Okay, I also got these for free. This is the bath and shower base. So what I do is I take a foaming hand soap pump bottle. I fill it up a quarter of the way with the soap and then fill the rest with water and then add in whatever essential oils I want it to smell like. So I'll do geranium or stress away or citrus fresh or whatever it is that I'm wanting to do. And this stuff is incredibly inexpensive and it works really good as a shower soap too. So I like to have that just on hand if we end up running out of the charcoal bar soap or run out of the men's wash or whatever. We have it. Life 9, I already talked about this as purchasing one and we got a free one. There's 30 caps in here, so between my husband and I taking it every single day for a month, we each go through a bottle. So I got this one for free, which is good because we will go through both bottles in a month's amount of time. Also got the Savvy Minerals mascara. I was running low on this, so I got a replacement. It works really good for my lashes. Doesn't cause my eyes any irritation. I also got the Multitasker in dark. So I got, and if you guys saw this, a few months ago, I got the eyeliner that's called Jet Setter. It's a black eyeliner. For whatever reason, my eyelids are either like greasy or I don't know what it is. I'm not exactly sure, but the Jet Setter eyeliner like runs off my lids. You might be able to see it here. It like kind of goes up into my crease and then if I blend it in, it just looks like nice eyeshadow, but I don't always remember to like go like this to blend it in. So when I used the Multitasker before as an eyeliner, it stayed really good even down in Disney and super humidity and all of that. So I'm going back. I'm going back to the dark Multitasker. It's brown, not black, but it's still dark enough that it lines my eyes really good. So I got that, and I got a few oils here for free. I ended up getting some Vitality oils. So I got Orange Vitality, and I'm going to come back to the reason why in just a second. Also got Thieves Vitality to help me stay healthy around all the sickos, and then sickies. And then I also got Lemon Vitality. We like to use this in like salmon patties or in chicken marinades. I like to add it to my water. I add it to Ningxia Red. It's just really good for your immune system and stuff. So love having Lemon Vitality. All right, so every month Young Living has promotions that if you order a certain amount, they're just going to throw free stuff in your box, which is great. That's why we buy all of our grocery products through Young Living, because we get all the free things. So this month, a 2-ounce bottle of Aromabite toothpaste was the 100 PV freebie. So I got one. My husband had his own Essential Rewards order, so we actually got 2. So how this goes along with the orange oil that we got for free is that the combination of these 2 guys can actually whiten your teeth. How cool. So you take the Aroma Bright toothpaste, you put it on the toothbrush, you put a drop of the Orange Vitality on there, brush, 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 spit, and after, I don't know, a couple weeks, your teeth are whiter, which is great. It's so cool. So that's why I got the Orange Vitality. It's also good in like smoothies and whatever. It's good in other things. But I bought this for the bathroom, so I can just leave that in there whilst I brush my teeth with the Aroma Bright toothpaste. I love this stuff. I actually use this sometimes as a deodorant as well. It works really good. Just rub it on like a lotion. You're minty fresh and nice and cool. Yes, don't think I'm nuts. It actually works. Give it a try. But anyway, it's a great toothpaste. And those were also 100% free this month. Other things that we got for free. This one was actually a mistake. We got patchouli oil. This one, and I'm going to show you another bottle of patchouli that we got not by mistake, but we got this in the mail today. I placed a points order, so like the stuff that I got for free, right? The mascara and the multitasker and da-da-da. I also ordered a Meadow Mist deodorant, and it didn't come in the box. Instead, a patchouli showed up. I was like, what is that? So I got on with member services. They're totally going to send me a deodorant, just to send me a deodorant. Like, they're fine. They're going to send it out in 2-day shipping. It's great. And they're like, just keep the patchouli that you got. So I'm like, okay. And what's ironic is that patchouli can be used as a deodorant. So it's kind of like, well, they were half right. They were almost there. So anyway, we got a free bottle of patchouli just by an accident. And then we got a bottle of patchouli as a promo from this month. So patchouli is really good for hair and for skin. I like to diffuse it also. This patchouli doesn't smell like the patchouli of the past. That's like the patchouli fakely scented things from like the 70s and early 80s. This is actual like legit patchouli, and it smells really nice actually. It is part of the Imitation Anthropology blend. People make like their own anthro like candle dupes using their diffuser and oils, and that's part of it. So I'm excited to get a whole bunch of patchouli this month. I got a ton of it, which is great because I'll use it. Another thing that we got, because it was my husband's 9th consecutive month on Essential Rewards, he actually got a tea tree thrown in his box, which is good. I use this on like blemishes, and I'll diffuse this with Thieves in the winter, and it literally smells like a craft store at Christmas. Like, it smells like Michael's for whatever reason. I don't know. It's got really good like cleaning properties and all the things, so love that. Lavender, we were 100% out, which was great because I was able to take this out of my cart because I was getting it for free, and I put other things in it instead. So love lavender. I don't know, I'm going to insert a picture here. So we were down in Florida, and I posted this on my Instagram too. I didn't think I was out in the sun long enough to really need to slather myself with sunscreen. Lesson learned, I know. So you can see what I did is when I came back inside, I put lavender on myself. I went to bed, I woke up, and that's what my skin looked like about 7 hours, after sleeping. So I love using lavender for my skin. It is my lifesaver of all things skin. All right, geranium. I was excited to get this one too. It's a very floral kind of smell. So good for hair, so good for facial skin and stuff. Really also, there's a lot of research about how it's supportive for liver and gallbladder too, so you can kind of look that up if that's something that you're interested in. But I was excited to get geranium because this was another one that I was running fairly low on. And one of my essential oil family members said, you should pair it in the diffuser with orange. So since I have an orange, I'm gonna do that. I would definitely do it. All right, so the next one, Blue Cypress. This one I was running super duper low on, so I'm so excited that I was getting it for free this month. I have a video here on YouTube all about DIY Disney scents in your diffuser using essential oils, and the Blue Cypress plus sandalwood equals Haunted Mansion. So if you guys are interested in making a Haunted Mansion recreation, if you're in the US, you can get Blue Cypress for free this month. So really, really good. It smells kind of like baby powder to me. Very hydrating for the skin. It's good for frizzies, and that's what I tend to use it for. I will put a drop in my hands and then just pat it on my hair if my hair's feeling like it's standing on end, as it tends to do in the summertime. That one goes on. And the last freebie that I got was the charcoal bar soap. I love this stuff so much. It smells amazing. It smells like cologne to me. I don't know. I use this as a body soap. I will use it on my face also. My face really likes it. It is for acne prone skin. It actually has charcoal in it, which charcoal, you know, you've seen those charcoal face masks or those like Biore strips, right, that have charcoal in them. It's just really good for cleansing and purifying the skin. So freebie. So excited because, again, this one was in my cart and I was able to take it out because I was going to get it for free. All right, guys, that is it for my gigantic May Essential Rewards unboxing. If you are interested in learning about how to use essential oils, if you're not yet a Young Living member, I am doing ongoing essential oils classes. And if you're in the USA, you get samples along with them twice a week on Facebook from now until I don't know when, a very long time from now. So if you're in the USA, all I would need is your mailing address, and we would need to be friends on Facebook, so you can friend me also. You can just email me your address, or you can shoot me a DM on my oils Instagram, which I will link in the description bar below, and we will get you in the next class. If you are outside of the USA, we have international classes on Facebook once a week, and I would love to have you in there if you are not a Young Living member. It's the same content, both classes. It's just that class doesn't include the essential oil samples. So we would just need to be friends on Facebook, and then we'll get you in the next class. If you haven't already and you'd like to hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Have a good rest of your day. See you all tomorrow. Ciao.